हेलो स्टूडेंट, 9th स्टैंडर्ड के अगले वीडियो में हमने चैप्टर जो स्टोरी थी उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन देखा था। आज हम उसकी एक्सरसाइज देखने वाले हैं। तो फर्स्ट है कि क्वेश्चन 2 संस्कृत भाषाय उत्तरम लिखतः। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कः तृष्या पीड़ितः आसीत्। तो आंसर है एकः चातक शिशु तृष्या पीड़ितः आसीत्। एकः चातक शिशु तृष्या पीड़ितः आसीत्। सेकंड क्वेश्चन चातक शिशु किम पातु न अर्हति। तो आंसर है चातक शिशु ही मेघजलम पातु न अर्हति। थर्ड क्वेश्चन कृषक पुत्रस्य दारिद्र्यं केन नष्टं भविष्यति। तो कृषक पुत्रस्य दारिद्र्यं मार्गे प्राप्तेन धनस्यूतेन नष्टं भविष्यति। कृषक पुत्रेण मार्गे किं प्राप्तम। तो कृषक पुत्रेण मार्गे धनस्यूतः प्राप्तम। फिफ्थ शिशोः तृषा केन नष्टा। तो शिशोः तृषा मेघजलस्य पानेन नष्टा। अब है रेखांकित पदानां स्थाने कोष्ठकातं पदम प्रस्थाप्य प्रश्नवाक्यम रचयत। क्वेश्चन बनाने हैं। तो जननी शिशुम बोधयति। तो जो ये ऑप्शन है उसमें से सही देके हमें क्वेश्चन बनाना है। तो का शिशु बोधयति, का शिशु बोधयति। सेकंड मार्गे परिश्रान्तः सः तिष्ठति। तो मार्गे कीदृशः सः तिष्ठति। थर्ड कृषकः वृद्धः आसीत्। कः वृद्धः आसीत्। धनस्यूतः मार्गे प्राप्त। तो धनस्यूतः कुत्र प्राप्तः। सः तस्य सर्ववृत्तान्तं कथयति। तो सः कस्य सर्ववृत्तान्तं कथयति। निर्देनानुसार धातुरूपाणां परिचयं लिखत। तो धातुरूप है इच्छामि, गच्छति, अर्हसि, कथयति, वदति। तो धातु है इच्छामि का इच्छ, गच्छति का गच्छ, अर्हसि का अहर, कथयति का कथम, वदति का वद। और इच्छामि इच्छ धातु वर्तमान काल परस्मय पद उत्तम पुरुष एक वचन। गच्छति का गच्छ धातु वर्तमान काल परस्मय पद अनन्य पुरुष एक वचन। अहर्षि का अहर धातु वर्तमान काल मध्यम पुरुष एक वचन। कथयति का कथ धातु वर्तमान काल परस्मय पद अन्य पुरुषः एक वचन। वदति का वद धातु वर्तमान काल परस्मय पद अन्य पुरुष एक वचन। अब है अधोदत्तानां प्रश्नानां उत्तराणि आंग्ल भाषायां लिखत। तो आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन इंग्लिश। व्हाट डज कुलाचार मीन। तो कुलाचार मीन्स conduct followed in a family or dynasty by tradition, keeping the promise at any cost was the family tradition of the dynasty of Raghu. To keep the promise King Dashrath had given to Kaikeyi. Sri Ram gave up his kingdom and went to live in the forest for 14 years. Second question. What does mother ask baby Chatak not to do? Why? Mother asked baby Chatak not to drink the water of a lake or pond to satisfy its thirst. She explained that drinking the rainwater falling directly from the cold is a family tradition. Drinking any other water means going against the noble tradition. Third question. In spite of being poor, why did the farmer's son even not touch the bag of wealth? The farmer's son was happy to see the money bag, thinking that the money would get rid of his poverty. He reached out his hand, but at that instant he remembered his father's advice. Taking the money belonging to another person is not our family tradition. So the farmer's son left the bag where it was laying and did not even touch it. Fourth, why did baby Chatak not drink water from the pond? Baby Chatak was affected by thirst. When its mother told about their kulachar of drinking only the water from the cold, baby Chatak left for the pond without paying heed to mother's advice. Feeling tired, it stopped near a farmer's house and heard the conversation between the doing farmer and his son. Baby Chatak was convinced that observing Kulachara was very important to these people, but I do not take care of my family tradition. We drink only water of cold. It is our family tradition, but I am ready to break it, which is not correct. Well-meaning people follow their family tradition, so I will also protect my family. Thinking thus, the Chatak baby did not drink the pond water. तो आज हमने नाइन्थ स्टैंडर्ड में चैप्टर 2 का एक्सरसाइज देखी। तो आप लोगों को ये सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर है नोटबुक में लिखने हैं और जो आप होमवर्क कर रहे हो उसका फोटो खींच के हमें व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में कंपलसरी भेजना है।